Let's see how to accept or reject the track changes in Microsoft Word. First off, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see right here, we have our document ready. Now let's go ahead and enable track changes. We can do that by clicking on the Review tab and by clicking on Track Changes. And that will change our document from editing mode to reviewing mode. Now, when you're in reviewing mode, the only thing you can do whenever you make changes to the document is put in suggestions instead of direct changes. So, for example, we want to remove this first paragraph. Now let's go ahead and remove that while in reviewing mode. And as you can see, that is now in red and has a strike through our selected text. Now let's say that you want to add some spaces here and to add another line of text. And as you can see, that is also in red to signify that it is a suggestion. Now, for example, we can also change some formatting. Let's say that we want to change this into bold. We want to underline this text, and that will show up on this right here at the right side of our document. Now, to either accept or reject these suggestions, click on Track Changes again, and you will be back to editing mode. Now, highlight your text, and you can click either accept or reject. So for this one, let's say that we want to keep this text. So let's go ahead and reject this change. And as you can see, that strike through is now gone and our text is still there. For this one, let's say that we want to accept this change and to add this line again. So let's click on accept. And for this one, let's say that we don't want it to be bold. So let's reject this change. And this one, we want to underline this particular text. So let's accept this change. And that is how you can accept or reject changes using track changes in Microsoft Word. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.